trees be standing when we come back this autumn. Travel day, everyone. We are leaving Quartzsite for the season, heading north another step on our journey north, back to Reno eventually. We were just here for 4 nights. We had a nice, quiet, leisurely, relaxing stay. We really didn't go do anything except for yesterday afternoon. We went to go see our friends Merton and Sue.
Yay, traveling Merton and Sue.
Yes, check out their YouTube channel. Sweet, sweet people. We love getting to hang out with them. We won't see them until autumn, winter, around that time.
And Dave came over to see us from our endeavor.
Dave came over to see us the day we got here. So that was good. We didn't even go, I didn't go do any shopping or anything. We just stayed put.
Chill.
Chill, because we got a lot of traveling coming up the next month. So today is not a very long travel day, probably about an hour and a half. We are headed to Lake Havasu just for 1 night. It has started to thin out here in Skadden Wash. I was really surprised to see how many people were still down at La Cosa South.
It was surprising. There are a lot of folks still here 3 weeks into March. Oh, yep. By the way, today's first day of spring. Well, tomorrow's the first full day.
Yeah, today's the equinox.
I guess our time, spring arrives at 8:06 p.m. tonight.
Yeah, something like that this evening. Yeah. So today's Tuesday, March 19th, 2024. Kaylee, are you saying hello already? Say hi, Bear. Hi, Bear. Kaylee, this is the first day.
Actually, the first day happened 3 days ago.
This is true.
4 days.
4 days ago. 4 days ago was the first day.
We've already lost count.
She loves travel day so much. And it's not her carrier. She loves that. She'll lay in it all the time in the house. It's riding in the truck.
Yeah, she's not a truck kitty.
Yeah. Nope. I wish she would just go to sleep and just relax. Nope. Okay, we gotta get through this dip. Dip to dip.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on South Reveille.
That looked no problem, huh?
Piece of mud cake.
Mud cake.
Mud cake.
Yep, now that we have our axles flipped, we can get through dips like that.
We don't have to worry about it.
Yep. All right. See ya later, Quartzsite. See ya.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
In 1 mile, turn right on Arizona 95 North.
trailer is. That's where we have parked before. And there's a spot there.
Okay.
Alrighty. I need to get out. Get the radios ready. We'll see you when we set up.
We made it to the gravel pit here at Lake Havasu on the south side of Lake Havasu.
Yep.
And look, we got us a nice spot. Actually, next to the spot that we normally sit in. We normally sit right here, but there was a guy sitting there in a cargo trailer, converted cargo trailer. He just pulled out, so we got us a good spot anyway.
Yes, we did.
For one night, it'll do.
Yes, it will.
Nice little short drive from Quartzsite to here. Not bad at all.
Tomorrow will be the longer day.
For us, it'll be a longer
Yeah,
day.
3 hours.
3 hours? I think we can do it in 2.5.
Well, we're going to stop and have lunch in White Hills. So.
That's true. That's true. So 3 hours. Oh, I've seen that video too. Lori is always right. Whatever. Beautiful day. Look at the big old fluffies up there. Bringing in all that solar.
Woohoo!
More power.
Whew. It's a warm morning. Good morning, everybody. It is another travel day.
It's warm for her.
Okay, it's hot then. I was being polite for you. For me, it's hot. Hot and sweaty, and I don't like it.
Yada, yada, yada.
Yeah, well. Seatbelt. Safety first. Okay, well, we had a nice stay here at the Lake Havasu gravel pit, and that is what it is called because we got an official paper from a camp host. We will show that to you later. I don't have it out right now.
It was incredible because we've never ever seen a real camp host or anybody representing the BLM when we're here in Lake Havasu.
Nope. This lady like pulled her van up really close to our truck and got out at our truck. And Tom's like, did that person just hit our truck? And I went to the door and I said, hi, can I help you? And she said, I'm the camp host. And she gave me the little tag that they put on, that you're supposed to put on here. It says Lake Havasu gravel pit. And it has
date for 14 days.
14 days, takes your license, your rig, and all that kind of stuff. So it was like, well, good. They've got somebody monitoring this because the past few times we've come here, you can tell people were putting up stakes. They were hanging out here. So
Extra long period.
yeah, so now it's being monitored, which is a good thing. It was very quiet. We had a camper next to us that played guitar.
He serenaded us all the way up till 10 o'clock last night, which is
Yeah,
quiet time.
That was fine.
So
That was fine. We were watching TV in the bedroom, so it was, couldn't really hear him until before that. So there was quite a bit of people here, I think, anyway.
Yeah.
A lot of us leaving this morning. We have a longer day for us anyway, probably about 3 hours total with a stop in White Hills for fuel and lunch. And we're headed to Boulder Beach at Lake Mead. Come along with us.
Turn right on Lakeshore Road.
we made it to Boulder Beach. This is pretty good. Right here at Lake Mead. You can see Lake Mead off in the distance. I don't know if the camera's going to be able to see that or not, but you can see it way off in between the trees. It's right there. It's not really that far. A lot closer than that. Look at this site that we've got. Isn't this something? Look at all this space that is considered ours for our site. You know, we got in our site. The truck's right here, kind of cattywomp. But before we tell you all the good stuff about the site, let's tell you what it was like getting in the site. You know, concrete pad, you think, hey, this will be a piece of cake getting in here. Well, first off, this big old bush, we took it and tied it up with a rope because it was way off into the site. We wouldn't be able to put our slide out. The tires would have probably run over part of it. So we had to fix that. And if that's not enough, we come over here, even before we noticed that, whoever was here before us and checked out today left a huge fire right here. But before that, there was a big fire here. So watch this video and look at this about the fire at the site that was left unattended.
Here's our campsite.
I guess that means camp hosts are on top of it. They did their duty and cleaned that site.
No, they didn't. They didn't even change the tag yet on the thing, on the post. And you know what? There's water like right here. Right. Where is it? It's like right here. Right there. Water. Fire. Water. Fire. Nice. I don't even know where the camp host is for this area. I know. Pretty bad when you can't even get set up yet because you're getting smoked out. Gotta do camp hosts' jobs. We're not camp hosts anymore, damn it. We shouldn't have to be doing this.
This is bull. This is some bull.
Yes, it is.
This is ridiculous.
There. Oh, God. How do you like this? Their fire stick. A little twig. Dang. We need our shovel, huh?
Yeah.
I think it's in the truck. I'll go get it.
So then we started to get, you know, tried to back up into the site, and I said, hold it. We need to put this fire out. So we hooked our hose up to the water spigot that's over there. Now what's going on? We hooked it up over there. We filled this thing up with water. This thing was smoking, both logs, all the little, it was just a mess. Not to mention all the stuff in the site, right?
There's lots of garbage.
Oh, this site is horrendous. Lots of micro garbage all over the place. There's little things. There's, look at this, there's a strap over there on the ground tied to that tree. There are straws on the ground. There are stickers underneath the table that are stuck to the bottom of the table. What else? There's paper. There's some cotton over here. And look, I didn't realize this was an orange tree here.
Yeah, how about that?
Yeah, look at this.
Bottle cap.
Look at that. Bottle caps, cigarette butts. This is shocking and disappointing for Boulder Beach. Have we complained enough? This is crazy. And now we've got sirens going off. What in the world is going on?
We had a nice day here the last time we were here. Now we got a generator going right across from us.
Hey, it's a dry campground. You can run generators.
Yep.
Okay, so that's acceptable.
I know.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
It's a cat toy.
a cat toy. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And here's what I mean by stickers underneath the table. Look at that. There's a sticker here on the bench. I mean, come on, people.
If we can get that one up. Yep.
What a mess. Look at this. Look at all this stuff.
That's only just right here.
Just right here, the last 5 minutes that she's been picking up trash and I've been pointing it out. Somebody's got to point it out, right?
Yeah. Cigarette butt.
Cigarette butts. More cigarette butts.
Cigarette butt.
More cigarette butts.
Cigarette butt.
Hey, when you're done, let's throw them in the bushes.
Yeah, here's more.
This is just
Some
ridiculous.
trash.
There's more trash over here.
Trash.
You know, we don't like to bitch and moan about stuff, but as being former camp hosts, the micro trash drives us crazy when the camp hosts don't pick it up and don't police the area.
Yep, I agree. It's like at our at the campground, Pilot Knob campground that we stayed at, it even mentions micro trash, and they will charge you $50 if they find any in your site.
Amazing. Okay, we're done. I'm not gonna bitch and moan anymore. Are you?
Probably. Off camera.
Off camera. Hey, did you guys like the trip? Did you have fun coming with us? If you did, make sure you thumb up this video. Did that even sound right? Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Here's the micro trash that we found just as our first pass of picking up garbage underneath the picnic table and around our site. So that's all so far.
Crazy.
Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about that.